one. All right, folks. Day one, about to get started. Got a late start. Here we go. 58 kilometers.
We have no idea what to expect.
I have no idea what to expect. We're gonna have to make our own portage trails. I purposely picked this one off the beaten path. And we've got a birthday party to be at next Saturday at 12 o'clock. And bass season opens Saturday morning. So we gotta go. Ready?
Yeah.
Get outside. And right off the bat, that little beaver dam.
Okay.
Are we gonna make it over that to the left, maybe?
Yep.
Or are we gonna have to get out and walk it?
Well, we're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out.
I think we'll be able to make it over. Yeah.
Straight?
Yep. Oh, no problem.
Yes. Creek goes straight through, but if we can paddle most of it, you want to try it?
Go through that way, or?
This whole thing, yeah.
Yep.
Wait. Stop for a sec.
Yep.
I want to see if we can cut through here to the left.
Okay.
Oh, no, look at that.
What?
Straight ahead of you.
Uh-huh. It's almost better to pull myself.
You gonna get over this?
We're going this way or this way?
Can we get over it?
Yeah.
We might be walking from here. All right, let me check. We're right on the path that I drew. But yeah, we're gonna have to try to get through that alder bush because the creek opens up again over there. So we gotta go back.
Okay.
Or we walk it.
Well, are we gonna have to walk anyway?
I don't know.
Well, it's fairly deep and mucky here.
Fairly deep and mucky.
Yeah. I mean, maybe we'll go to the alder bush. I don't know. I think it'll probably be deep and mucky. Where we go? Around here. That's what it looks like anyway.
All right. Well, folks, we'll see you when we get this thing turned around.
We're not going to turn around for a bit. I think we got a back paddle. We can turn ourselves around.
Maybe. You want to do that?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'll turn it around. This ought to be fun. I got no leg room here. All right. You got to turn us, eh?
Okay.
Yeah, it's your turn. It's your turn to be in control.
Okay. Oh, I should be paddling on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You want to try here?
It's the same. Well, we can if we can pull up.
We've got to get into that.
Okay. Okay.
We've got to get into that alder bush.
Do we really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I think we're getting out here. Give me a sec.
Yeah. You're gonna sink. No?
No. Oh wow.
You okay to pull me?
Woo! That's cold. Yeah, no, that log's just floating.
Do you want me to get out?
No, I'm good.
Not even.
Okay, now you can get out.
Okay, hang on.
Oh yeah, that was deep too. Glad I got neoprenes on. Yeah, stemmed over there. Okay.
Okay, wait.
There's not much land.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, one,
One,
two,
two, three. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, you gotta get in.
That's okay, we spin it around. Okay. You want to get in?
No. Yeah. The paddle is behind you. Oh, look at that. Okay.
Here, babe. Yeah, I know.
Was that fun?
If we had stayed to our left like I said to originally,
Yeah.
instead of trying to take the easy way, we would have been on the easy way.
Excellent.
Oh. Trust your maps, people.
That's like a railroad tie.
Yeah, it's a railroad tie.
Kind of hanging out.
Oh,
That's all right.
you wanted adventure. This is beautiful in here.
It is beautiful, absolutely. Was this supposed to be a portage over here? Or?
This was, I think if there hadn't been so much rain, there's pieces of this we would have to portage.
Yeah.
But it did look big enough on the map that we could paddle it, but I wasn't sure, so I marked it as a portage.
Right.
Just to be safe,
Yeah.
just to prepare myself.
Yes. I might be able to just bring this over a little bit.
What?
Yeah.
Here, let me get it.
Let me push you over a bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Good?
Yeah. Oh, that's deep.
I could have pushed you over more.
That's okay. Okay. What?
2, 3.
Sure, the one I'm standing on breaks.
1,
1, 2,
2, 3. Let me get
Here.
in.
I'm gonna pull it up, and then you walk up the
Okay,
log a
yeah.
bit.
Yeah.
See, I have my gentlemanly moments.
You do. Few and far between, but I cherish everyone.
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Yep, I do.
This is where the portage happens. Oh wow.
Well, at least it's not a big one. I'm gonna pull over to the right here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Here's fine, no?
Can we get up over there?
Yeah. Yeah. right here we'll have to go in. That means well, maybe not. I'm on a rock.
Okay.
I can get out and then we can get you out after.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull you up over here, seeing where I am.
Okay, that's good.
Well. Okay.
Yeah, and then push it out and pull it up.
Yeah. Just gotta watch the camera, sweetheart.
Yeah.
I just don't want it to get. This is a whole rock.
I've got the bit in my stuff.
Did you?
Yeah. Okay, give me a sec. We're gonna have to put this on. Take these down. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, that was a nice waterfall. Even though it was tiny.